What's up YouTube, this is Prince with ATP 101, and in this video I'm going to show you guys another shoe that I just got. And these are the Airmax 97s, I think. I don't really know a lot of these shoes names. I just see a shoe and I like it, I get it. So here it is right here. It's in blue, a nice blue. Look at that, it's gorgeous, nice and lightweight. I always check the weight of the shoe, because if the shoe is real heavy, it's a no-no. I like light shoes that I could, you know what I mean, could be light on my feet because I'm in these streets, you know what I mean. So here's the other foot right here. This is the right foot. It says Airmax right there on the back. Got that Nike logo right there, just like that. Nice and clean, and I love this blue. Nice dark blue. Could rock it with a couple different joints. Got the see-through bottom, just like that. I think these cost about, I think, $150, $160, who knows. Let me know what price y'all see it for. And this is a 9.5, again, US 9.5. And yeah, I just want to show you guys this new one. Let's smell it. Woo! Had this for a while, never wore it. I buy shoes or get shoes and they just sit around for like some special occasion. I wear like the same regular shoes. I wear like Clarks, like Wallabies, like constantly. And these I get them and they just sit for like a while. But yeah, these are the Airmax 97s. This nice dark blue. There it is. Nice and clean. Look at that. Man, that's fresh. I'll be popping out on them on this, styling on them. Yeah. So yeah guys, another short shoe video. Just want to show you guys these. Let me know if you like them. Let me know what's your favorite shoe. I mean, my favorite shoes are Clarks and Wallabies and any Clarks brand, but sneakers, I mess with a lot of Nikes. So yeah, let me know what's your favorite shoe and what shoe I should check out. No Yeezys. I ain't buying no Yeezys. That's a choice, and that's a choice, and I refuse to buy any Yeezys. So there it goes. Prince with ATP 101. Rate, comment, subscribe. Peace. Thanks for watching.